In this problem, we want to compute the following log given at the top there. Let us look at the quantities in the square root sign. So we have the square root of 5 times the square root of 125 times the square root of 625, all nested inside here. And let's write this in exponential form. So we have 5 times 125 times 625 raised to the power of 1/2 here, and 1/2 here, and 1/2 there. Now let us look at what's going on in here in the middle. So we have 125 times 625 to the 1/2 power. And then we take the square root of that, and that gives us 125 to the 1/2 power times 625 to the 1/2 of 1/2. And that's equal to 125 to the 1/2 power times 625 to the 1/4 power. Now let us pause here and look at what 125 is. It's equal to 5 cubed. And 625 is equal to 125 times 5, which is 5 to the 4th power. So if we substitute this and this into our expression here, we get this being equal to 5 to the 3rd to the 1/2 power times 5 to the 4th to the 1/4 power, where 5 to the 4th is 625, 5 to the 3rd is 125. Exploiting the laws of exponents, 5 to the 3rd to the 1/2 is 5 to the 3/2. 5 to the 4th to the 1/4 is just 5. And this gives you 5 to the 3/2 plus 1, which is equal to 5 to the 3/2 plus 2/2. And that's 5 to the 5/2. And so then we can write this expression, which is equal to what we had before, and we can write this as 5 raised to the power of 5/2. So this right here can be written like this. And so we can simplify this to get 5 to the 1/2 times 5 to the 5/2 of 1/2, which is 5 to the 1/2 times 5 to the 5/4. And that gives us 5 to the 1/2 plus 5/4, which then gives us this 2/4 plus 5/4, ultimately leading to 5 raised to the 7/4 power. So this expression here in green simplifies to taking the log base 5 of 5 to the 7/4 power. If we continue in our computation, we look at this, and we can write this as log of 5, and we take the exponent here, which is 7/4, and using the properties of logarithms, pull it out of the exponential position. And so then we have 7 divided by 4 times this here. And note that log of 5 base 5 is equal to 1, which then gives us 7/4 for the answer. And we're done.